Hey everyone, I'm Davis, and today we'll be talking about how did the early history of Athens and Sparta shape the later development. I decided to choose this topic because I really love Sparta. I don't know why. I watched the movie 300 and I want to get to know a little bit more about it, so that's why I chose this topic. Let's get right into it. Today, first we're gonna talk about Athens. This is Athens. It's a beautiful city, as you can see. They go into Athens facts. Okay, some of the facts about Athens. Athens is home to the first known democracy. Their democracy was established around 500 BC. Athens is the largest and the capital of Greece. They're going to play a big part of the whole war, so keep that in mind. Athens started as a small fishing village that grew to be one of the most important cities in the ancient world. Athens were more focused on education rather than military. They used famous poems in their schools to teach everyone. They were taught at home until 7 and sent to Athena schools until they turned 15. Older boys began to train to join the military. Athens is known for their strong navy. Athens' government was a democracy where citizens could vote towards laws in their state. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about Sparta. Sparta, of course, from the movie 300, so I had to put the picture in there because that's the news I mostly know them from. Let's get into some of the facts about Sparta. Sparta was known for their strong army, even with their small numbers of soldiers. Sparta hated cowards, and if anyone showed weakness, they will be punished. Sparta had two kings with limited power. One king has the duty of commanding the army in time of war. Sparta was known for their strong army. Their army was so great that they held off thousands of Persian soldiers with just a few hundred Spartans. Their boys started training at the age of 7, and they separated them from their homes and put them into the military home. Their women had more freedom than all of the other Greece women. They went through the same training the men went through. The rule of Sparta was to encourage women to have children to help grow Sparta. All children were expected to become great soldiers in the Spartan army. Now let's talk about the war between Athens and Sparta. It was called the Peloponnese War. Let's talk about the start of it. Why the war started. The Peloponnese War started because Sparta's jealousy of Athens. They feared Athens' power, and that fear drove them into war. Sparta also wanted to control the Greek world that Athens had. The conflict and the outcome. The war was 27 years in total. The war left every state in Greece to choose a side between Athens and Sparta. The Spartans won the war in 404 BCE against Athens. The war divided Greece and left them weak, giving their real enemies a opening to conquer them. The Messenda, I'm sorry if I'm messing these up, but the Messenians conquered them in the mid 4th century BCE. Now, my ending question is, if you lived in the time when all of this was going on, which empire would you choose to live in, Athens or Sparta? Honestly, I would choose Sparta in my own opinion because I just loved like the brute force they had and like how they, with small numbers, they could still conquer most armies and they were just a strong force to be reckoned with. I don't know why I just really love that about them. Athens would probably be more for the people that would like to learn more, but I don't know. I feel like Sparta is the way to go. But this is the end of my project. I hope you guys learned a lot and I hope you enjoy. And that's it. See you next time.